Khloe Kardashian and Tristan Thompson are not officially back together. The 36-year-old reality TV star and Tristan, 29, who have two-year-old daughter True together, are rumored to have rekindled their romance in recent weeks, but according to a source close to the celebrity duo, they are not officially back together just yet. The source explained that Khloe's relationship with Tristan is currently similar to that of Kylie Jenner and Kourtney Kardashian, and their exes Travis Scott and Scott Disick, respectively. The insider told Entertainment Tonight. "They're all family. Everyone gets along and everyone has the kids' best interests in mind." By contrast, a separate source recently claimed Khloe and Tristan are giving their relationship another try. The pair's romance was thrown into turmoil following claims the pro basketball player had kissed Jordyn Woods shortly before the birth of their daughter, but the NBA star has recently been trying hard to make amends. The insider shared. "Tristan is working hard to prove himself and has been a great dad to True." The reality star celebrated her 36th birthday last weekend with a party that Tristan attended, and the source claimed the pair acted like they were back together at the bash. Tristan also publicly thanked Khloe for helping him to learn and grow, as he wished her a happy birthday via Instagram on Saturday, 27.06.20. He shared a picture of himself, Khloe and True, and he added the caption, "I'm wise enough now to know you came into my life to show me just what it means to be an incredible person. I appreciate how I am able to learn from and grow because of you. I thank God for the beautiful and loving woman you are to everyone, especially our daughter True. You deserve the world, Coco. True, and I love you, mama. Happy birthday at Khloe Kardashian, sick."